Hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. I'm super happy that you're here because wherever you are on your creative path, I'm here to meet you. And today, let's do that by flipping through another sketchbook that I filled. This time it is an A4 Hahnemühle Nostalgie sketchbook. So this is twice the size of my previous sketchbook. And it actually started with an online session, my mini workshop that I do monthly. It was super fun. It was all about greens and quick drawings and gestures. If you would like to join one of my mini workshops anytime, you can. It's open for everyone and I do it every month. It's super fun. It's 90 minutes and we draw together. So check out the link that I will add to the description below. Drawing at home on the couch and in a cafe. Testing out the fun, super fun technique of drawing with twigs and sticks and ink, just at home, plants in the window. And that was actually to prepare for an upcoming workshop. This is a wonderful memory of a beautiful evening. And I had some flowers that I took with me after that. Here I am on my way to the workshop in Germany. I actually just arrived and it was a bit early, so I thought, you know what, let's start with a drawing. So I did. And then later that day I met all the participants of the workshop, a wonderful group, and we had a few really great days. So the pages that you're seeing here are all from the workshop, where I gave them some demos and some fun assignments. And we also had time off to ourselves. For example, here, where I picked up a woody pencil, one of those Stabilo woody pencils that are super chunky, and I hadn't used them for quite a while. And I had so much fun with just that blue. These are the surroundings of the workshop spot. And then this is in the woods. In the morning I took everybody into the woods and we picked up our drawing tools, twigs and sticks and leaves and even flowers. Someone coined the term the drag and slap technique, or maybe it was the slap and drag technique. She used a flower to create all these interesting textures in her inky painting. It was super fun to do this. I love doing this. And if you're curious, I have done a couple of videos about this whole thing, drawing with twigs and sticks and ink. So I will link to those videos below in the description. An evening walk, trying to draw horses and Highlander cows. I always find it super hard to draw animals. Another workshop morning where we mixed our greens and tried to come up with so many different greens that you can use instead of just the green that is in your palette. Practicing the shadows and using watercolors and darkening the darks, because that is really what makes a difference when you are painting greens. Kind of a messy one. I feel like it's unfinished. I sort of abandoned this page and I'm okay with that. And if you want more, check out my Patreon page for pro tips, more videos, ideas and inspiration. You can try it for free for a week, so nothing to lose. A wonderful view on the top of the hill where we had some drinks and also class. So we all drew the view there. I really like this drawing, how it turned out. We had dinner together every night, and that was just so wonderful. And I think this was the last evening together, and I drew everyone. Oh, and I skipped a page accidentally, I think, when I was here. And I started to draw everyone sitting there drawing, but then I ran out of time and I was distracted and all of it. But I kind of like that it's unfinished. It's fine. An unfinished drawing is also a drawing. Look at all these gestures that I got in anyway. And this is one of the assignments where we were zooming in from a zoomed out perspective, zooming in and then zooming in even more. And I also zoomed in on what I was hearing as I was drawing. So my mind was still racing when I started. Then I heard the birds singing as I calmed down doing my next view. And then I went really close and I was very close to all the plants and I could hear all the insects buzzing. So that also is soaking up into the pages when you are drawing, and I love that. This is back home again on a terrace in town. Not my best work, but it is a really nice memory of a very good friend who was staying with us and a moment that we had all together on a very hot day. A little bit of a distracted drawing, this one. There was lunch in between and there were all kinds of conversations. I can feel that and I can see that if I look at this drawing, but still I really like it. I remember the afternoon because I look at this, and that is just something that a photo could never do, and what I love about going through my sketchbooks. Here I'm on the way to The Hague, where the National Urban Sketchers Day was, and that's where I did this. It's interesting, on these national sketch days, everything is about sketching, and then I don't really sketch as much as I would like to, because there's just too many people to meet and too many conversations to have and all of that. But in the end, I did sit down for a little bit more of an elaborate drawing, and that was great. I really like how this turned out. And then also on the way back, I drew again. This is a nice Sunday at home. And sketching with friends here in town. We wanted to draw the gates in town, the medieval gates, and there are like 3 prominent ones, but we only did 2 because it was warm and we also wanted to chat and to do other things. I like what happened here because I started too high on the page. I started with this tower, and then soon enough I realized that I couldn't fit the second tower because it was too high on the page. But there was an overlap of a tree that was in the front. So I thought, if I use that as negative space, then I can save this. And I really like how that turned out. And I also just left the rest of the page blank, just to let this be. This is again with these woody pencils, nice and smooth, and you can make big gestures because they're so chunky. Drawing while the others are cooking. Drawing during a coffee meeting in Amsterdam along the canal. I like this little view. Another woody pencil drawing of my husband playing the guitar. Testing other materials, playing with that. Drinking tea, reading. Oh, and this one, I actually filmed this whole process, so I will share that as a Draw Tip Tuesday video soon. And here I am, back at the desk again. June was a very interesting month, and I think this is the 1st of July that I am sitting at my desk again. And also here at the table, just drawing whatever is in front of you always works. And that is the end of this sketchbook. I hope that's inspiring for you. I love going through my own sketchbook, but also other people's sketchbooks, because it's just so inspiring that you can create so much variation in just one book, and every page is different, and I can just really feel the moments again. And I hope that you get that too with your sketchbook practice. And of course, I will see you next week. Bye.